Honorable Chair, esteemed delegates, the European Society for Medical Oncology, ESMO, which is comprised of over 25,000 cancer professionals from more than 160 countries, welcomes the strategies on human resources for health. With the cancer burden growing to an estimated 29.5 million in 2040, the world desperately needs more specialized cancer doctors to achieve universal health coverage. Countries need a sufficient number of well-trained and well-equipped cancer workforce to ensure quality delivery of preventative strategies, timely diagnosis, and the safe and effective administration of cancer therapies, as well as palliative care services. To support countries with the education and training of medical oncologists, ESMO regularly updates its global curriculum in medical oncology, which is freely accessible on our website at www.esmo.org. As cancer doctors, we urge governments to adopt and implement the actions proposed on human resources for health. Thank you.